Hello, I'm Dr. Olson, and today I have two more games for you in the Fun Math Challenges for Kids series. Here's my Twitter handle, my YouTube handle, and my website, which is the area for kids. These games are found on the mathplayground.com. The first one is Reverse the Discs. That's what it's called on the Math Playground, but it's basically the game Othello. We introduced this a little bit because it's related to a game from the last video, and the red block returns game. So let's go over to the Math Playground. I believe these are found under the logic games, and you can probably find them a couple of different ways. So there's red block returns. Let's do that one later. Maybe we'll start with reverse the discs. One of the things I like about the version that they have here on the Math Playground is they have 3 levels for you to 3 difficulty levels, and you can play against a person or against the computer. I'll play against the person, against the computer. You're trying to flip your opponent's pieces by trapping them between 2 of your own. We're playing black and the computer is playing white. Your aim is to have more pieces than your opponent when the game is over. And this is how the game begins. Each time you put a disc on the board, you do have to outflank. So I've got some options here. I think I'm going to go into this location, and that should flip that disc. The computer's thinking. I've got a number of options here. I think I'll come over here. Now I think I'll come down here. And so on. You'll find that it's very important to get the corners, because once you get a corner, it cannot be taken away from you. The next thing you want to do is to get the edges if possible. And there are a few positions that you don't want to go into. This is a great strategy game, and you can get better and better at it the more you play. The second game I'd like to show you is the red block returns game. And the directions here are very important, and these pretty much are all the rules you need to get started. We're going to be teleporting to another, well, let's start at the top here. Pick up the key to open the lock. Okay, so there's going to be a key and lock perhaps. You might be able to connect sections of the maze together using this orange connector. You might be teleporting to another part of the maze. And the tan squares don't stand up on the tan tiles. Guide the block through the maze and reach the red exit. We're trying to get to the red exit. By the way, you cannot stand on a red tile, but I'll give you a hint. You can roll over the red tiles. So you can see that I've already achieved some of the levels. But right here is a good warm-up, and we're rolling the block here, and I need to get to the exit spot. I can use my mouse, or I can use my arrows. And notice when I stand this up, I have achieved the first level. Visualizing how things work in the real world is an important mathematical skill, and it not only helps you in mathematics, it helps you in many areas. So I need to get this red block over to this red exit square. I'm going to need a teleport. I cannot stand up on these brown squares, but I can roll across them. This is legal. So let's see how I might be able to get over here. Yes, if I stand up to the left, I'm going to be teleporting to the other side. And now I can come over here. If I stand up right here, I'm going to fall through. I'm not going to solve this one for you. I'll leave that one as a challenge. The reverse the discs game and red block returns are good games to help you improve your thinking and your mathematical reasoning. I hope you find these games fun and enjoyable. Have a great day.